Good afternoon, everyone.
Welcome to Bucharest.
Romania. We are walking right now to get our first SIM card in the town, and then we will go for lunch, and we will go for change some money because we want to change out those Bulgarian money. We are leaving Bulgaria. So
Normally we just use the ATM and pull money out, but we had money left over in Bulgaria, so we're going to go to a money exchanger. And then I'm going to try to get a haircut. My hair is too long.
So welcome to welcome to Romania. It's a sunny day. We was in the Varna last week, and it's cloudy and very cold because near to the Black Sea. So right now it's better. See how I'm wearing. How we wearing. No more cold.
One layer. It's going to be up to 70 today, Fahrenheit.
Ah.
Which is what, 22 Celsius?
I think so. It's cool. We managed to find a money changer here, and then we changed some money from Bulgarian to Romanian currency. So it saves us a lot. The rate is not too bad, you know, we lose a bit, like $3-4. Oh, I passed by a food. This should be a nice place, people buying the food here. Well, continue. So we managed to get the money changer. Now we're going to get a SIM card and then restaurant in the old town area and try some Romanian local food. Now we are in the old town area looking for our restaurants. We pass by the beautiful places, restaurant around, and we're going to find our place. It's nice here. I mean that you walk in the old town area, it's very charming.
Yeah, I love it.
Love it. It's a lot of pub, club, and all these things around. The pub and the club is way more than a restaurant.
Chung found a spot for us to eat lunch. La Mahala. Okay. It's traditional. Got to start with traditional, right? Before you go eat Italian or something. You don't have to, but that's how we roll.
So this is my pork steak, T-bone. This is 49 Romanian money, local money, and then one is, I think it's 22 or 24 local money. It's a bean vegetarian.
Yeah. Let's see.
Then asked me with my food, did I want extra salad, extra mashed potato. I remind me of my first time here, and they asked me, I thought it's including, but when the bill comes, it's way more than I need to pay.
If they ask you if you like bread or you like this or you like that, what they mean is they want to sell you more food.
Yeah. It's been
It's good actually.
It's good?
It's like East Mexico.
Oh.
Chinese pork. And let's see.
That's good.
Yeah? It's pork? Okay.
We arrived in Bucharest. This is Romanian, and this is our apartment. I like the view here. Very nice. This tiny studio. There's Dan over there. And this is our bed here that you can see. And we have AC. We have a big TV screen big TV. And I love the view that you can see in the town. And we have another side. Let me show you this kitchen area. Kitchen area have everything also, like water boiler, coffee maker. Also, they have washing machine here. Perfect. So, 2 working space here. Have microwave here. Have this fridge. Very nice, tiny and cute. This is my favorite place of this apartment. It's this place that you can sit and you can enjoy the view here. It's beautiful, it's nice. And this is our toilet here. Look, clean, it's very nice, very stylish. It should be got everything here that we need to have shampoo, have hair shampoo, body gel. Cool. Nice.
I like these chairs too.
You like the chair too?
Yeah, they're cool.
Cool.
I haven't seen them before. Maybe they're IKEA or something.
Yeah. So this is our place. Welcome home. There's a prices here.
It's like a deli style food. Kind of point at what you want. And
This one is.
it's a Romanian food.
Oh,
It's a pig.
okay. And what is this one?
It's 1 second. 1 second. I don't speak very good English.
But it's traditional food.
Yeah, it's traditional, Romanian traditional.
It's potato.
No,
potato.
it's not potato. It's vegetable.
It's vegetable. Because he is vegetarian, he don't eat meat. Yeah.
That's pork.
Please.
Yeah, it's Romanian. You want something else? Or that's all? Vegetables? Yeah. Yeah, I'll see. Meals are $5 each there, so
Yeah.
now that you get out of the Old Town area. Chung's $5 food.
Smell good. Let's see how's the beef. Here's a pork or something.
Or something. Good?
Good.
Yeah?
It's meat. That's one. I like think need to try this one. This local food.
Corn. They're both local food. They're good?
It's good. Let me try the sausage. It's so meat. This reminds me of Colombia. It's meat country.
Yeah.
It's nice. I like it.
Here's my $5 lunch.
It's good.
It's better than my... What was the other one?
The old town one.
It was more money.
This wolf tastes good because it have a lot of the earth.
It's
stuff.
delicious. It's much more delicious.
Mashed potato.
A local neighborhood restaurant.
Yeah.
Much, much better.
And
Half price.
half price. And this is our balcony here. We have this beautiful view here.
There's a mega image. It's a grocery store near our house. Whee! There we are.